Kamia provides you a smart way to check what's going on in your garage from time to time, or get notifications about your garage door status, such as open, closed, or left open over time. Our cameras use Vision AI-based algorithm and can detect up to 3 separate garage doors status simultaneously. No sensors required, which means no need to replace batteries or worry about sensors disconnecting. Yes, it is that simple. When Kamia GarageCam detects the garage tag in its correct position, camera will determine that garage door is closed. When the garage door is open, the camera could not detect the corresponding garage tag, which triggers the alert that the garage door is opened. Once the camera for garage door detection is set up, it is very important that the camera and garage tags maintain their positions and directions to keep correct status detection. According to our beta test results, more than 65% of false alerts come from relative position changes between the camera and garage tags. If that happens, you will need to reset the initial viewpoint in the Kamia app to get back to the correct detection of garage door status. Don't forget to insert a microSD card so you can have the video clips of your garage door status change. No subscription required.